Hello friends, today I am very excited to share with you a success story. I am not going to share with you any motivational story. I am not going to share with you any productivity tips. I am not going to share the story of any legend. I am going to share with you a success story of mine. How exactly the things have evolved in the last 3 or 4 months, I am going to share with you in this video. So video is going to be very exciting. Please do watch it completely and share your feedback once you've finished. As you all know, I am a productivity coach. I help you all to increase your productivity in different field or in the field where you want to be, to achieve the mastery. I help you all to do that. One of my students to whom I taught in class 12th, she called me just before her board examination and she said, like, sir, this year I'm not going to write JEE with full preparation because my whole focus was on board examination. So maybe I will write 2021 JEE. I said, okay, no problem. You just focus on your board examination and proceed according to the plan. But just after, she finished her board examination, lockdown imposed in our country. And then after she called me and she said, what exactly I should do? Should I focus on January 2021 JEE examination, or I should start preparing for this year JEE? I said, okay, do one thing. Anyhow, this lockdown is not, is to be with us for next 2 or 3 months. At that time, we were planning like that. Like for next 2 months, it will be definitely will be imposed in our country. So exams are going to get postponed. You do one thing. You start the preparation. If you are able to do something, something good, it is okay. If not, at least this preparation will not go in vain. It will be used in January. So she said, okay, no problem. And she started preparing. But that happens with everyone. That happens to me also. That happens with you also. I know. After 2 or 3 days, she was not able to, go along with the plan. Then she called me and she said, I don't think I'm able to do that because during lockdown, all my sisters and brothers are here and they are enjoying full day. They are watching TVs and watching YouTube and playing games. So I am the only one who is studying. So it's very boring for me. I don't think I am able to write the JEE examination. They said, let me focus on 2021. So I said, okay, no problem. But I said to her, why you want to waste your time? Anyhow, if you are preparing for 2021 also, this time you have to utilize. Anyhow, this time, sure, at that time you have to study. So why you are not focusing on that? I motivated her a little bit, and then after she started the preparation again. But you know what? After 4 days or 5 days, I am not able to exactly remember. After 4 or 5 days, her father called me and said, like, sir, I don't think she'll be able to qualify the JEE like this. Why? Because she is not consistent. Just for 2 or 3 days, when she talks to you, she is motivated and she started working, and after 2-3 days, she is not in a mood to study. So jokingly, he said, like, why don't you call her every day and motivate? I said, sir, it is not possible to call every day and motivate someone. Till how long I will be able to do? But just after that call, I thought it's a good idea. Anyhow, that is my work. Anyhow, I have to motivate someone. So maybe she will be my potential new client, but I will not say her client, but still she will be. And I have to take this task. I have accepted that task, and I started, I made a very rough plan and I started working on it. And after 2 days, I think I made a call to her and said, like, see, I have planned something for you, but I need a commitment from your side. For the next 2 months, you are not going to question anything. You are not going to question the process. You are not going to question what exactly we are doing this, because along with your subject, that is very important. You have to, practice it very well. You have to understand all the concept very well. But along with that, I will ask you to do something extra also. I will ask you to do something different also. You should not apply your brain in that. If you are ready for that, then we can move forward and start working on it. So she said she started thinking for a few minutes, and then she said, okay, no problem. Anyhow, I'm not going to get selected with this preparation this year. So why don't we give it a try? I said, okay, no problem. Then we started. But again, I reminded her commitment, like for next 2 months, you will not ask me why we are doing all these things. Maybe something you will think like it is nonsense. It is not related to my preparation, but still I have to do. Why? Because it is conditioning your mind and body as well. So she said, okay, no problem. And we started very slow. I made a very rough plan. I told her like after each week I will review, and after that I will make the changes in the plan. But you have to focus on just 1 week, nothing more than that. She started doing. After 3-4 days, again she was demotivated. I pumped her and she finished. She has completed that 1 week. Then after 1 week, I revised the plan. I made some changes, and accordingly, she started doing that also. And after 2 weeks, I asked her, how exactly you are feeling? She said, progressive, but I'm not thinking like through this preparation, I will able to crack the JEE because we have started very slow. So I told her, why you are focusing on the speed? Why you are not thinking at least you are consistent? Till this time, you are not consistent. Maybe whatever your pace was, maybe how fast you are moving, but till now you are not consistent, and that is the main problem with all of us. We start very fast, but we are not able to maintain that momentum. After 2, 3 or 4 days, a week, the momentum derail, and after that it is very tough to bring back. So why you are not focusing in that sense? Because till now I am not trying to increase your momentum or increase the pace. I just want to build that momentum. I am doing all these things to build that momentum. She understood and she started working on it. And from 3rd week onwards, everything has changed. The duration of study or everything has been expanded quite well. She started writing tests alternately. Everything according to plan she started doing. And during that process, she was dull also few times, but it was my duty to motivate her, and I did the same. And after a month, I asked her what exactly your feeling is. She said, sir, I don't know what exactly will happen with me in the future, but I'm sure like it is really exciting. It is really giving me a very good satisfaction as far as my hard work and consistency is concerned. I said, okay, no problem. We will move forward. After a month, everything changed, the gear changed, and then we moved with very fast pace. So many things she started studying, learning, and everything. She started writing tests. After 2 months, I asked her to review her progress, and she said it is amazing. Till now, whatever she has studied, she was studying, she was forgetting, studying, forgetting, and after that, whenever she was starting from the same chapter most of the time. And that is a problem I have found during when I was learning and when I was teaching as well. Students are starting with very great pace, but they are not able to maintain that momentum. And when they are starting again, they are starting with the same chapter. So what exactly happened in the 6-month or 7-month duration? They have not finished more than 3 or 4 chapters. The whole syllabus is still left. So that was not happening with her. And after 2 months, I think her father also called me and he said, I don't know what exactly will be the result of this girl, but I'm very happy with the progress. I'm very happy with the way she is carrying everything. I'm very happy the way she is studying. I don't know what will be the result, but I'm happy with her hard work. I said, no problem. We are not aiming for anything. We are not aiming like this year itself we will qualify for JEE, but we'll give a try. And then after the lockdown extended in our country further, and we were very happy like this whole thing is happening for good, and we utilize it completely. Then after 3 months, I think, yes, after 3 months, everything changed. She started writing test every day. She started revising. The whole thing was going with very fast pace, and she was enjoying it amazingly. And she was taking care of her health, mental and physical, both health, because that is very, very important. What exactly I have noticed in this 3 months, because that is the void I found when I was teaching. Students as well as the parents, they both focus on the coaching institute, they both focus how renowned the teacher is, they both focus on where my ward or where my child is studying. That is important. I'm not denying that subject knowledge is very, very important, but in this era of technology, you can get the knowledge online also, you can get very good knowledge online also, but the main problem is to maintain the consistency. The main problem is to be with that flow. The main problem is to maintain that momentum. Where exactly? Because so many distractions are there. Mobile phones, internet, friends are there, so many things are there, and we are most of the time we are not motivated to study. So we need someone who can guide us. We need someone who can ask us to move forward with full of our potential, and that is exactly what I do. Okay, so after 4 months, when everything was as per the plan, it was moving, she started writing, and she was very, very overconfident by that time. And I have warned her, you don't be overconfident, because the way you are carrying, it will not give you any result. And for the next 15 days, I have not guided her anything, and her performance dropped drastically. And then she called me again. So I understood what exactly you wanted me to say. And then again, I started giving coaching to her, and then she was very, very confident again. And after, I think, 5 months, when the exams were approaching, she was quite confident. She said, like, I don't know what exactly will be the result, but I'm not fearful this time. I'm not thinking what will happen to me in the examination, but I'm very, very satisfied the way I have studied in the last 4-5 months. I said, okay, that is the main thing. Results are not exactly any fluke thing. It is the outcome of our efforts. So the same thing happened. She written the examination. I think on the third day, second shift, she has written the examination. And after that, when she checked her answer in the evening, she was quite sure like she will get a good percentile. But we said, okay, we will not do anything. We will not start thinking in that way. We will just wait for the result. And the day when the result has announced, on that particular day, we checked the result, and it was amazing. A girl who was very average in her study, who has lost all the hopes, like how she will be able to qualify the examination, and she planned like she will write the JEE 2021. She has done fairly well. She has scored 98.7 percentile in this JEE examination. I coached 2 students for JEE examination. One student has qualified well, and the other could also have done, but he was busy he got some distraction. I also lost the touch with him in the last you can say 1.5 months or 2 months. So he has not done pretty well, but I'm sure he has learned the basic, and he will now move forward to apply all those things. What exactly happened in this process? When I started coaching her, 2 of her cousin brothers also approached me, because her mother called me one day and said like, why don't you help her cousin brother also, because I have shared what the progress of her with them, and their parents also want you to coach. I thought, no, I have never done all these things professionally, and how I can able to manage 4 students at the same time. Then I thought, okay, no problem, let's because I was quite free. I was having only 2 classes in a day, so I thought, okay, no problem, I will do. And then I started coaching them also, and they were also performing very well. I don't know really exactly how they have done. They have saying like fairly well they have done in the NEET examination, but let's see how the result is coming out. But they all are very, very happy and satisfied the way they have studied in the last 4 to 5 months. Okay, so what exactly I want to share with you through this video, like if any one of you want my help, if any one of you want to enhance your productivity, if any one of you has demotivated, if any one of you has lost your touch with the studies or any other field, and you think like someone should come and help you, then I am here to help you. I am here to hold your hand till the moment you are going to get success. So if you are thinking I can help you in any way, feel free to contact me. The link, the email ID I have shared in the description, and here also it is getting displayed. It is coachakileshtiwari@gmail.com. Feel free to mail me and write your problem, and if it is suitable and it is working fine, then we can start working towards a common goal to your success. Okay, hope it is making sense to you. And if you are thinking like at any point in your life I can help you, feel free to contact me. I'll be more happy to help you. So thanks for watching, and share this video with your friends and your families, so that if at any point they also need someone's help, they can contact me and we can make a difference in their life also. Thanks for watching.